Okay, so this is a little video for anyone with a Honda CRZ 2011 model with the factory subwoofer and amp that's built into the car. And if you're trying to fit an aftermarket radio and you can't seem to get any sound, this is what you need to do. Now, sometimes you may get a bit of interference noise that I haven't been able to rectify of what it could be. Unfortunately, I don't have it, but some people have experienced it. So, to get some sound, all you have to do is you need the CTSO003 harness, which comes with the steering controls and the patch lead and everything all in one. But in order to get the sound, you take the blue lead that comes from the back of the radio, which is here. So this blue lead here, which comes from the back of the radio, you disconnect it from the other end of your harness because you won't need it. You only need this end of it. And that plugs in, bearing in mind I've got a factory aftermarket sub as well, so that's why this is like that. This goes into your new harness. There'll be a blue and white cable on there as well, and you just literally join them together and that gives you the sound. That's all it is. Very, very straightforward. A lot of people tend to panic because they wire it all in and they're not getting sound. So yeah, you just literally take the remote wire from the back of the radio and you join it onto the remote wire that comes with your new harness. And that's literally all you need to do to get your sound working. Any issues, leave a message in the comments and I'll try and help you out. Thank you. Bye bye.